G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car in Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz in an X-Class 350d Power. Vehicle's just been detailed and roadworthy is yet to be completed, but that will get done in due course. But as you'll see, as we take you right around the outside and through the interior of this utility, it presents very, very well. So we'll start from the driver's door, work our way right around the exterior of the vehicle. I'll take you through the interior also, but as you'll see from that driver's door, very clean condition. You'll see in the mirror scopes the 360-degree camera, also your proximity key in this model as well. So a lot of features in this, and I'll try and point them out to you as I walk throughout the car anyway. But as you see, paint condition is absolutely phenomenal. Side steps are in great condition, as you'll see. Coming up to the front guard, signifying the 3-litre turbo diesel engine, turbo diesel engine, really clean condition on that guard. Down to your alloy wheels and tyre, great condition for both of those as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle is fitted with front sensors, beautiful Mercedes front grille, as you'll see, absolutely sparkling in that paintwork, beautiful condition. A couple of stone chips up on the leading edge of the bonnet, which is quite normal for this age of car with those Ks as well. But as again, we'll get our touch-up guys to do the touch-ups on those to hopefully minimise those stone chips as well. But coming along the passenger front end, as you see, really clean again. Up to your front guard on that passenger side, really clean condition again, all the way through down to your front alloy and tyres. So again, plenty of tread left on those tyres, and alloy wheel is in great condition as well. Home to the passenger front door. As you see, the paintwork is absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful condition. You'll see my sparkle in the background, all the way down to the side steps, again in great condition, all the way along, pardon me. Coming to your rear door on that passenger side, again, ultra clean condition. Does have the rear privacy glass, which you may or may not see in that shot there, but does have the rear privacy glass in this model as well. Coming to the rear end of the vehicle, back to your tub on that passenger side again, paintwork's in great condition. You'll see the reflections of the cars in the background, beautiful condition all the way through. Again, your rear tyre and alloy wheel in great condition as well, and plenty of tread left on that tyre too. Coming to the rear end, your tailgate section. Vehicle, I think, originally might have had a hard lid, so you'll see a bit of minor wear marks from where I reckon the hard lid may have sat on the back of the vehicle, but doesn't have a hard lid anymore. It just has your normal tub liner, which is your Mercedes genuine. But I reckon from what I can see, it might have had a hard lid previously. But as you see, tailgate's in great condition. Your rear step, where your reverse sensors is situated, and also your tow bar, as you'll see, really clean condition as well. Again, vehicle has a 360-degree camera, which is your reverse camera is just there as well. I'll open that tub section so you can see the tub liner. It is a genuine Mercedes tub liner. Really good for protecting the back of your tub. So a lot of utes now will have tub liners, but it would have been an option back then, I reckon, in this year with that series of that ute, but does have your genuine Mercedes hard lid fitted as well. Coming around your driver's side to the rear end ascent, you'll see it's really clean again. A couple of minor marks here, which has already got touch-up paint, so I reckon the previous owner might have put some touch-up paint on those minor marks there, but they've already got touch-up paint on them. But again, we'd rather be honest and say there's a mark here or there. If you do live a fair way away from us here in Officer, nothing's going to scare you when you get here with condition of the unit itself. Rear end of that tub for the driver's side, down your alloy wheel and tyre, again, plenty of tread left on the tyre, alloy wheels in great condition as well. But as you see, really clean condition as we finish on the rear door on the driver's side, ultra clean condition. You'll see my ugly reflection in the background there, but as you see, the paintwork is phenomenal. All right, we'll open the door up and we'll show you through the interior as well. Factory leather interior in this model. So we'll start from the door card on the rear door on the driver's side. It does have a set of rubber floor mats, and your leather interior, sorry, my seat's a fair way back, but that's where I normally sit, sorry about that. But your leather interior is in great condition as well. Such a beautiful condition. Now I've got the ute running throughout the video, so you can hear it run all the way through the video, so you know it is mechanically sound as well. And you'll hear that silly radio. Sorry, I left the radio going, but you hear that radio in the background as well. But I will turn that down in a tick. But continuing on with the interior, as you see, really clean condition of that leather interior. It's such a nice looking ute, these Mercedes-Benz, especially in the 3-litre. Becoming really hard to find these ones in a 3-litre. But as you'll see, really clean condition. All right, coming across to the driver's door. We'll turn that radio down while I'm here as well. Door card on that driver's side, as you'll see, beautiful and clean condition. Does have the rubber floor mats with the carpet flooring. Electric driver's seat, as you'll see there, and also front heated seats for driver and passenger. So that's where the button's situated for the heated seats. And then beneath here is your electric brakes, all your safety items, your headlights, and also your push button start just to the right hand side when you hop in the vehicle itself. So I'll jump inside the car. Actually, I will show you the interior first before I keep doing that. Sorry about that. Back to your interior. Leather interior before I jump inside. Just your leather interior, just to show all the interiors in great condition as well, all the way down to your bolster. Absolutely phenomenal condition. Over to your passenger side as well. Back to your seating again really clean. Over to your door card, and then down to your passenger front seat, again really clean condition. So I'll jump inside the ute this time. It's a bit better. I'll show you through the features interior wise. Indicators again are left hand side driven. You'll see your indicators on the stalk just here, so down for left, up for right. Sorry if it's a bit blurry there, but your indicators are to your left hand side. Cruise control is down beneath your steering wheel just here. Over to your steering wheel, you do have your volume control, your Bluetooth buttons, and all your settings for your cluster, which is the internal cluster here as well. Across to your stereo system, it is a AM FM digital radio. It does have factory satellite navigation, so you've got your navigation button, which is here, your radio media button, which you can use, or you've also got your center dial just in this section as well, but a little bit easier just to use your radio button, which is there as well. Up to your main screen with your reverse. So as soon as I select reverse, your 360 degree camera will come up. So there's your 360 degree camera. Really easy to use. And then beneath down here is your dual climate controls, your 4x4, all your safety features as well. So really nice and easy system to use. And then coming back to your automatic transmission, and then your center dial, which runs all your center cluster. So you'll see your dial in the middle here will rotate your left or right. If I come back to your screen, you'll see it'll rotate left and right. So really easy system to use. You've got a back button, which is this back button here, which will take you back to, you'll see the section at the top. So if I press that back button again, you'll see you can actually change all your settings through there as well. So really easy system to use. Once you play with it, it is a very easy system to use. You do have your volume control there, on and off button. So you can run the stereo system all with this button just through here, or you've got your manual buttons back up the top section as well. But as you see, ultra clean condition, beautiful interior and exterior, fantastic value being a 3-litre diesel, and presents very well for this age and Ks as well. So I'll jump outside the ute, we'll wrap up the video. If you have any other questions in relation to this ute or anything else we have in stock here at Your Next Car, please don't hesitate to give us a call in a dealership. You can either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both be able to look after you very well. But as you'll see, great condition, great value for money, and hopefully we've found the right Mercedes ute for you. Have a great day.